In this video, I'll show you how you can fade in a video in CapCut. So currently the video has not got the fade in effect added, but we'll add it right now. So you want to open up your CapCut project, and then once you're here, you need to click on the video and make sure that the cursor is at the start of the video. Now, once you've done that, to the right hand corner of the screen next to the undo button, you'll see this diamond square looking icon. Go ahead and click on that and it will then create one keyframe. So the first keyframe will be red and this is going to be your starting point. Now, because you want your clip to fade in, you want the opacity to be 0 and you want it to fade into 100%. So once you've created the keyframe, scroll across on the bottom here and you're looking for opacity. So let's just find it, opacity. So click on opacity and drag the opacity all the way down to 0. Then click the tick. Now you want to move the cursor up to the point where you want it to be 100% faded in. So for the video, I'll make this dramatic and I'll put it here. Then again, make sure you've clicked on the clip, then click the keyframe icon once more. That will then create the secondary red keyframe. And then from here, we need to go and find opacity again. And now we can change the opacity to 100%. Now, if you go ahead and scroll through this timeline, you can see the start is on 0% opacity and it slowly fades into 100%. So that's how you can fade in a clip on CapCut. I hope that helped.